Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Cleanse and pat skin dry so products absorb. Measure 2 tablespoon rosewater and add 1/2 tsp glycerin into a clean glass bowl. Glycerin draws moisture while rosewater soothes. Mix with a sterile spoon until uniform, then transfer to a small bottle if you prefer misting. Once done, test a drop behind your ear to check sensitivity. Make sure fragrance-free rosewater is used for calmer skin. This first step sets the base for an effective night routine. Once mixed, dispense 3 to 4 drops onto your fingertips and spread thinly. Avoid the eyelids because glycerin can sting sensitive tissue. Press the blend into forehead, cheeks, chin, then neck. Pressing improves penetration versus rubbing. If your skin feels sticky after 1 minute, make sure to follow with a light moisturizer. Use 1/2 tsp to seal hydration. The glycerin locks water in, the rosewater calms inflammation. Repeat product placement on drier zones to balance moisture evenly. Finish by allowing the mix to absorb for 2 to 3 minutes, then sleep on a clean pillowcase to prevent transfer. If you find the skin sticky, make sure to use less glycerin next time or add a thin occlusive like 1/4 tsp of lightweight oil. That smooths tackiness. If irritation appears, redness, or burning, rinse with cool water immediately and reduce glycerin to 1/4 tsp on the next trial. One key troubleshooting tip: dilute more rather than add product. Gentler is safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.